Have you ever heard of Bitcoin halving? Because I haven't. Of course, that was a silly joke, otherwise I wouldn't be recording this video. But what you must have heard of is that the price of Bitcoin skyrockets after that. Is it really true and should we fill our bags by that time? Or are we gonna lose money and end up back at 9 to 5 jobs? This is Bitcoin. If this is your first time hearing about it, this is it. What's truly fascinating is that the price of this Bitcoin is based on supply and demand, just like every other asset in the world. But what will really blow your mind is this. The maximum supply of this coin is 21 millions of coins, and even if you could do a triple backflip, you won't change it. It's hard-coded, baby. So, are you trying to tell me that I can only buy 21 million bitcoins now? Well, even if you had this amount of money available to use, you can't. Because we don't have all those coins now. Bitcoins aren't treated like US dollars. They are mined by Bitcoin miners. In short, these miners run the code responsible for running Bitcoin network, and it costs them electricity. Trust me, it's an expensive hobby. And in exchange for doing this, they receive new bitcoins. In 2009, they got 50 bitcoins for every block mined. If you don't know what block is, don't worry, it's not so important in this situation. Basically, they got 50 bitcoins in exchange for running the Bitcoin network, but in 2012 they only got 25. Why is that so? It's because their rewards are cut in half every 4 years. Just imagine what would happen if it wasn't like that. They would still be getting 50 bitcoins, so the supply would be much larger than demand. This means the price would consolidate instead of going up. Or what's worse, it could be going down, and the world would never know what Bitcoin actually is. This excellent solution called Bitcoin halving makes distributing new Bitcoin slower, and by 2140 it all stops. The unknown creator of Bitcoin expects the world to adopt Bitcoin by this day and make it a reliable currency. Every Bitcoin halving is a positive factor when looking at the price. It makes distributing new coins slower, and if supply is smaller than demand, price will always rise.